Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming what kind of MIDI connection you have, 5-pin DIN or USB MIDI. Plug the cable from the controller's MIDI OUT to the target keyboard's MIDI in. Once done, power both instruments. Next, on the controller, set local control OFF so notes only send via MIDI. Make sure the target keyboard is set to receive on the same MIDI channel. Use channel 1 for simplicity. This prevents doubled notes and keeps note routing clean while you proceed to sound mapping. Once the physical link is active, configure the MIDI routing. On your controller, choose the transmit channel and confirm its sending note on /off and velocity. On the target keyboard, enable MIDI receive and choose how it handles program changes. Some accept program numbers, others need bank select. Then play single notes to test sound, adjust velocity curve, and transpose to match feel and octave. Make sure sustain pedal assignment and local effects are set so the target produces the intended. Finish by saving your configuration as a preset on both instruments so you can recall it instantly. If you want deeper control, connect to a DAW or a MIDI monitor to verify note on numbers, velocity, and program change messages are reaching the target. Once saved, run a full playthrough to confirm split, layer, and pedal behavior. If things go wrong, first recheck cable orientation and power, then confirm both units share the same MIDI channel. This single step solves most connection failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.